Hi guys, today we are going to explain about job application selection and identification, study of resumes with natural language processing and machine learning. So before going to this project, we discussed something about the natural language processing. So what is the natural language processing means? So in machine learning, all the data sets are in numerical format. So while when the situation is comes to we have to work on the text data means we use the NLP technique. That is NLP means natural language processing. So it employs the techniques to automatically categorize and analyze the text data. So here in this project we are working on the resumes data set. Nowadays for a job role, so many members are working applying for the jobs. So many resumes are coming to the association or organization. So they have to parse the data, parse the resumes like that. They have to categorize the data based on their skills and experience and all. So in this project we are going to do that thing. So in this project we are going to pass or classify the resumes based on their skills and all according to their job roles. So in this one, for suppose a data science skills is there means that classify that resume comes to data science category, for suppose a Java category. So like that it is going to predict the data, the particular resume belongs to which job. So like that we are doing. So in this resume classification we are using a natural language processing. So it employs automatically categorize and analyze the resume. So by using the NLP techniques, it extracts the meaningful information from the resumes such as skills, experience and education. So to classify them into predefined categories like job roles or industries. So in this project, it involves the use of text processing tools like tokenization and feature extraction to understand the content of resumes. So machine learning models such as support vector machines and deep learning architectures are then trained to be labeled data set to classify the resumes accurately. So this project goal is to streamline the recruitment process by automating the initial screening of the resumes. So saving time for recruiters and improving the efficiency and talent acquisition. So overall resume classification using NLP enhances the hiring process by harnessing the power of language understanding and machine learning algorithm. So let me check the backend code for this project. So here I am taking it is a supervised learning. So in this we have to, in machine learning, in previous we have to train the machine with some past data. So like that I am going to train the machine with this past data. So in this one some categories are there. So according to the categories what are the skills is there means I am training my machine with these skills. So before going to train the machine, we have to process the data, like we have to convert the data into text to numeric data. So here we are using tokenizing techniques and data pre-processing techniques and stop words and all. So all these steps are comes under the NLP, natural language processing. Okay, so by after completing the natural language processing process, here I am going to apply the TF-IDF vectorizer. So this is the vectorizer where we where it counts the terms, particular terms, how many times the particular term will repeat. So like that it will count. So based on that it will create one numerical type of data. So after the vectorization, I will apply the machine learning techniques like this. So here I applied the decision tree classifier algorithm. So in this algorithm, by applying this algorithm, I got 99% accuracy in the decision tree. So if I uploaded a resume to the if I upload a resume, so it detects my job role in with 99% of accuracy. So after that decision tree algorithm, I go with some another algorithm like this random forest classifier. So by using the random classifier algorithm, I got 99% accuracy for the test data and 100% for the trained data. So like this way I can apply any algorithms and I will check the algorithm accuracies. So by screening all the algorithm accuracies, I will check the which algorithm is the best and I will apply that algorithm in the front end part. So let's we see the front end part for this project. So this is the front end part. So in the index page I am giving some name and password for this project. So here after giving the name and password I will click on the login. So after clicking on the login, it asks us text and algorithm. So here we have to paste the text what is present in the resume. So in the resume, if suppose I will paste the text like this one, technical skills, typewriting, and these are the skills, and this is the content, total text content in the resume. So this content, after applying this content, after pasting this content, I have to check the algorithm here. So for which from which algorithm you want to predict, like random forest or decision tree. So here I selected random forest. So after applying the algorithm, I will asking this predict. So I will click on the predict button. So after click on the predict button, it is saying that the pasted text is belongs to HR. So HR related job, HR job related resume, it is like that, it is predicting. So for suppose if I pasted any another text, it will give the some another advocate. So whatever I pasted the text, the text related to the advocate job role. So like this it will work. Thank you.